Hi there, and welcome to my latest addition to my Tamiya Audi Quattro on the TT02 chassis. This is a hop-up part that I purchased. Hop-up part is 54491. That's 54491. It's a Tamiya rally car cockpit set. I've spent a considerable number of hours of painting intricate details, and this is the end result. This has actually been hand painted, in fact, using the Tamiya paints that you can buy in the small 10mm pots, various colours, so you can see, and I think it's come out quite well, considering it's been brush painted. And yeah, take a look and see what you think. Tell me what you think. So there you are. Quite a short video, quite easy video to do. There you are. And let's see if we can go in a bit closer, and you can see some of the detail there that I've done. And let's see if we can come underneath. Oh yeah, he's got a bit of a frown on him. Oh, he's a bit wide-eyed as well. And Mr. Pace Notes man there, he's looking at the pace notes and looking quite worried of what's coming up ahead. And yeah, as you can see, the intricate details there with the red belts, the chrome colour buckles, you can see there coming through, red gloves. I think that sets it off quite nicely, and the little gear lever there, a little bit intricate there, handbrake. I decided to keep it quite plain, purely because my basic level of painting. And there you can see, I'll try to do a fuel can in the back, and just not forgetting the lovely spare wheel. And there you are. And yeah, I went along with the blue seats. I thought that looked quite nice. And what you can see here at the side, these are pads that are used by Tamiya. Tamiya give you the pads in the set, in case your body's a little bit wider, so you can mount them inside the body. And yeah, I think it's turned out reasonably well. I'm going to see if I can spin round so you can see the dials. There you are. Nice, not too bad. And hopefully, yeah, as authentic as can be. As I say, this is all part of me coming back after many years outside of the hobby. My first attempt of ever doing a cockpit. I never did a cockpit in my years, so this is my very first one. Reasonably pleased with that. Not bad, like I say, for brush painting. And now next stage will be to mount it actually into the body itself, and I'll tag that little video as well. And thank you. And here we are with the cockpit set now fully mounted inside the car. I think we are on what's known as job done. There you go. Looks quite good. Quite happy with that. Oh yes. Quite happy with that now. So I had to make a few modifications to the cockpit set. I had to make you can see a black line coming up through where the co-pilot is. That's the aerial, digital aerial system. I had to make a hole for that in the right place. A little bit of measuring, and there we are. He's inside. Looks quite good. And there we have it. One cockpit set mounted into the car. Thank you for watching, and hope you like.